Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to make a YouTube logo in Canva. This is a canva.com website, and first I will create a new design. Look for YouTube logo. Now this is our blank template. Now go to design and look for the logo design you are interested in. Let's say that your YouTube channel is about gaming. Just look for gaming like that, and you will see only YouTube logos for a gaming channel. For the templates that have this pro tag, it requires to having a Canva paid account or a free trial for or this free trial for 30 days. Let's use this template, this puzzle template. Click on it, it will shows up here. Now you can, if you don't like this black background, just click on it, try to delete it like that. Now to edit an element on this template, just double click it like that. Let's say that this is Ben's Experience. To edit the spacing between these two lines of Ben's Experience, just select the text or select the text like that and click on Command A to select all. Go to this spacing icon and lower the line spacing just like that. Now place this YouTube channel name here. To delete an element on this template, just select it like that and hit delete on your keyboard. Now let's say that you are not interested in this design and you want to change the template. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free and also these other courses available in my university, just go to this link, university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Say that you are not interested in this design and you want to change the template, just click on design again or click on this return arrow and select another logo. Add template as a new page or replace it. I will go with add a new page to keep having the old template and also the new one. Same thing, to make the text bigger, you can click on this little dot on the corner and slide it like that. Same thing with this logo element. To edit the background color, just select the background, go to background color and edit it like that. To edit the font of this text, double click it with your mouse, go to font and select a new font from this list. I want to try this Benji font and just like that. I forgot to show you how to export this YouTube logo. Click on share, then hit download, keep it PNG and select the page you want to delete. I want to delete the second logo. Click on done and hit download. Wait a moment. And this is how to make a YouTube logo in Canva. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.